my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing all-in-one kit that is saved for OneDaySaving store. So basically this kit does contain everything that you need to start your nail art journey. So the first thing that you get is a nail buffer. You got the different things on each side, so each side can be specifically used for different stuff, and it's already written on the buffer. Then you get the nail brush. It's a tiny pink colored nail brush, and it can be used to remove the dust off you for your nail. Then you get a nail file. This one is 100 and 180 grit. It's pretty long, so it's gonna be really handy. It's gonna be also really easy to use. Another one is 600 and 3000 grit. Then you get the towel separators. So basically when you're doing your pedicure, you can use this to separate your fingers so that they don't touch to each other. And then you get the bristles. These can be basically used for nail extension, as you know they've been really in a high trend these days. Then you get another file. This one is of 100 and 180 grit. Then you get tweezers. They're very good. The quality of them is very good, and they can be actually used to stick on stickers or get the nail tickles. Then you get a tiny cuticle pusher and nail wipes, which can be used to remove the sticky layer, or can be used to remove the gel polish as well. So it basically depends on you how you're gonna use them. You get 10 of them. Then you get cuticle remover. So this tool is basically used to remove the cuticle. Then you get a cuticle cutter, which is well protected in this plastic case, you can say, and the quality of it's very good, and it's very sharp, so it's gonna cut your cuticle very easily. Then you get a little pot. I love the design of this one. It's basically a nail glue, and I love the design. It's slightly different from what you see, and it's full, so don't worry about the quantity. You're getting plenty of it. So basically if you get this kit, you can actually do your nail extension, because you can use this nail glue to add the bristles to your nails, so you can extend your nail easily at home. Then you get some striping tape. Then you get different colors. You get the white one, you get silver, blue. Some of them are also different shades, so kind of holographic. So basically you're getting all the colors, all the normal colors which are normally used, like white, black, red, yellow, golden and silver, which are mostly used on plain nails. So then you get the holographic one in green and in yellow, and no, in green and silver, I think. Then you get a nail wheel. So a nail kit is not complete without nail art tools. So you get a nail wheel with few rhinestones in different colors. They are shiny, so if you put them on, they're gonna shine pretty well. So the quality of them is really good. Like you can see that they reflect very well, especially the light colors like this light baby sky blue, or the baby purple, or the silver shade, or the clear one. They do reflect a lot, so you can actually use them to create beautiful nail art. So you can get this kit from the website. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can easily access to it, and you can order your own and start your nail art journey. Then it does come with a nail lamp, and it got a USB cable which you can actually plug into your nail lamp. And this one is really good because you can actually remove the cable from the nail lamp, and then you're gonna extend it or plug it in whenever you want to. In this way there's gonna be less chance that it's gonna break, like with the other one which has got a permanent thing. So the nail lamp itself is in pink color. You got the 3 buttons, got 99, 60 seconds and 30 seconds. If you want to turn it off, just press the button again, so it's just gonna turn it off. It got a little display. With displays there are seconds that are remaining, so that's gonna be really easy to use, because it's exactly telling you how many seconds are left, and that can be really good. So next thing is you get these two separate things in bubble wrap, so there's gonna be no damage, definitely. So you get the nail lacquer, or the liquid latex, that how you call it, or that's how it's known. So you get the nail latex, and then you get the magic remover. I never used this thing before. I will try it and will let you know how it works. And if this thing works, it's gonna be really easy to remove the gel brush, because you're basically gonna apply it on your nail, then the gel brush should be removed. and it echoes the instruction on the bottle, so it's really easy to remember what you're gonna do and or how you're gonna use it, and that's really good because sometimes you can lose the manual. So I will definitely try that one. Then you get a pair of gel brushes, which means a full set. You get a base coat, and all of them are like in 7 or 8 ml bottles. The size of the brush is pretty decent. They do not smell of chemical. There is slightly smell of chemical, but it's not that much to make you feel dizzy or make you feel uncomfortable. Then you get top coat. This one is glossy one. So basically you get all the base coat, the top coat, the glossy one, and then you also get the matte top coat. So it's basically, as you know, all in one. If you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend you to go for this one because it's only around £20, so you can actually start your own journey. You're getting all the tools that you need. You're getting enough gel polishes to start doing your nail art, and you're getting also the tools to remove or do a perfect manicure at home. So this is the one of the shade that you get. It's a beautiful baby pink color. This is shade 13, and the border are pretty filled, so you don't need to worry about the quantity, and you get the different shades. So this one is shade number 09. It's kind of greenish color, and all of them are style runny, so they are not dense, so don't worry, you're not gonna apply a thick layer, because if you apply a thick layer, you're not gonna cure easily, so this is a good thing. Then the next shade is 45. This one is kind of tomato red shade, or a pink that goes more for a red shade, you can say. And all of them do no smell of chemical. Like the gel polishes, this one, the shady one, does no smell of chemical, but there is a little bit of smell in the top coat and in the base coat. Then you get a purple shade, a beautiful lavender shade. In the next video I'll be creating some nail art using these tools, so if you want to check it out, you can wait for it and check it out next week. Next shade is 34, and this is basically a glittery one. Having a glitter gel brush is a must because you can actually use it to enhance your nail art, so it's going to be easier for you to create a perfect nail art at home without the need of many tools. You can actually create gradient look, or you can create gradient or dispersing gradient glitter look. That's gonna look really good. The next shade is this greenish one, this green, dark green shade, you can say. Then you go shade number 01, and this is basically light purple shade, and if you want to do, you can actually do a gradient with this one and the other purple one that I showed previously, and they're gonna look really good because the both shades kind of go well together. The next shade, the packing is slightly different, but the brand is exactly the same, so they just change the packing. And this is another glittery gel polish, and this one is in shade red. The previous one was more see-through, but this one looks more dense and thick. Next shade is shade number 35, and this one is a beautiful glitter pink shade. So you're getting 3 glittery shades for now. So you have seen that red shade, the tomato red, and then this pink one. You can actually create another gradient look using this one and the tomato red shade, and this one gonna look good as well. The next shade is shade number 39, and this one is basically a beautiful pinkish color. Like all these shades can be used to create beautiful nail art. You can use 2 of them, or you can use 3 of them. You can always be creative or try to do something out of the box. You never know what you can create, so you're getting plenty of shades. Like if you start buying them one by one gel brush on average gonna cost you around £6 or something around there, but you're getting a plenty of them through this kit, so I would definitely recommend you to go for it, because it just in £20 you're getting around £20, you're getting all of this stuff. You're getting the tools, you're getting the gel brushes, you're getting everything, like how to remove them, how to apply them, everything that you need, so you can start your nail art journey easily. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and wait for the next one. We are gonna create new nail art using this kit. So yeah, this is it. Bye bye.